Hey everyone, this is me Dhruval Mewada and welcome back to my channel. In last episode, we learnt about exposure and how to correctly expose your images. But in episode 2, I will be talking about white balance. As you guys know, human brain is so smart enough to understand the lightings and provides us the perfect natural colors. But our camera devices are not that smart enough. So there comes the white balance. We need to adjust the white balance settings to get the perfect natural colors. Now there are a lot of people who doesn't know how to set the white balance and how to get the natural colors out of any lighting condition. So they just end up leaving that white balance adjustments and at the end they blame the weather condition or the camera devices. That actually makes no sense. And if you also don't know how to set the white balance settings, then just don't worry, because I have brought you a complete guide of white balance. Whether you'll understand what exactly the white balance is and how to control and use it. So without getting further delay, let's get into it. As you have already shifted to manual mode, then white balance is the key to your perfect picture. Now white balance is the amount of whites. Do you know what I mean by whites? If you don't know, then just relax, because I'll tell you each and everything about whites and white balance. First, let me show you some examples so you'll get a better idea about whites. Here, as you can see, there are some areas covered with white lights. Whether it's on an object or in a sky portion, no matter what is it. But these areas we need to cover with the white balance settings. Now, if you go and check your camera settings, there are different presets given, such as auto white balance, cloudy, daylight, and lot more. So let's understand each preset with more details. So first comes the auto white balance. Auto white balance is a preset where camera tries to understand the lighting situation and adjust the white balance as much as possible to get the best natural colors out of it. Here you don't need to do anything, you don't need to set any parameters, any white balance settings. You just have to put your camera on auto white balance setting. Then after comes the daylight preset. Now what daylight does is whenever you are shooting outdoor on any landscape situation where you might get some blue hue of clouds, then this preset will reduce that blue hue and give you the perfect sunny picture frame. And then after comes the cloudy preset. Now this is very perfect and accurately designed preset, as whenever you are shooting landscape like this and especially in cloudy weather, then this preset is just made for you. Then comes the shade preset. So this shade preset works when you are shooting some silhouette photography or on any evening shot. So at this moment, shade preset is the perfect choice for you. Then comes the flash white balance. The flash white balance works when your camera flash is on. So this preset will get you natural colors out of a picture even in the low lighting condition. Then comes the tungsten white balance. So what tungsten white balance do is that will make your picture a bit cooler by increasing the amount of blues in your picture. Even after applying all these presets, still you are not getting your natural color from a picture, then don't worry, there is still one more option, and that is custom white balance. So let's get ahead in the video by understanding the custom white balance settings and how to adjust the custom white balance setting. So white balance is the adjustments of whites by adjusting the color temperature. Now this temperature is not that you measure about the room temperature or you see on your smartphone screens. This is what you can change by changing the parameters from blue to yellows or reds. Now, as you can see, this parameter or this slider, it has one side blue and the another side yellow. So once you shift the slider from blue to yellow, the color temperature of your picture will be changed and the temperature will get higher and higher according to the change or to slide to the yellow part. Now comes the most used tool by professionals to change the white balance settings, and that is changing the white balance by color panel. Now what is color panel? So this color panel shows what color will be there on your frame according to the number you have set. Most professionals use this trick or this tool to get their white balance done because it's so easy to make your white balance settings done and get the perfect output. I hope guys you have learned something new today, and if you have any doubts, just put that doubt in the comment box or you can DM me on my Instagram ID. That ID you must be seeing on your screen right now. White balance can be mastered only by practicing. So just grab your camera and get some pictures with the white balance settings, the presets and custom white balance settings, and upload it on your Instagram. Also tag me. So if you like this video, go hit the like button. Also share it with lot of people so lot more people can learn this. And also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll get more and more content like this. Till then, bye bye, keep practicing and see you guys back in the next video.